when Operation Sindur commenced, a number of countries were in touch with us. I'll speak about that in some detail. Why do countries contact you? Because they want to know what is happening, what is your thinking, how serious is it, how long would it go? And to all the countries, we gave the same message. We gave the message that India is exercising the right to defend itself. We, sir, gave the message that the targets which were selected and hit on the 7th of May are known terrorist headquarters and infrastructure. So some of them, for example, Bhawalpur, is associated with the murder of an American reporter called Daniel Pearl. So the world is aware of this. We gave a message, sir, that we were not open to any mediation, that anything now between us and Pakistan would only be bilateral. We gave a message that we will not accept nuclear blackmail, that whatever talk there may be about nuclear danger, that will not deter us from going ahead with Operation Sindur. We gave a message that we are now responding to Pakistani attacks and we will keep responding, and if that fighting is to stop, Pakistan must make a request, and that request can only come through the channel of the DGMO.